तो उस पर हम एक अनाउंसमेंट करने जा रहे हैं। सितंबर के महीने में कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी एक नेशन वाइड कैंपेन शुरू करने जा रही है। ये एक तरीके का नेशन वाइड टूर होगा हमारा। इस कैंपेन का नाम होगा क्या बोलती पब्लिक।
Cockroach Janta Party founder Abhijit Dipke has announced that unemployment will now be the party's next major national campaign after the NEET paper leak protests. Addressing a press conference in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar after the party's two-day core meeting, Dipke said unemployment remains one of India's biggest challenges and promised to take the issue across the country. He said the party will also launch a nationwide campaign called Kya Bolti Public next month to directly interact with people and understand their concerns. Dipke said education reforms will remain another key focus area. He argued that higher education has become unaffordable and increasingly commercialized, adding that the party wants to push for reforms that make education more accessible. He also pointed out that nearly 60% of India's population is below the age of 35, saying the youth had played a major role in the protests and would continue to remain central to the party's campaign. Dipke further said there is a need to restore the credibility of the media while expanding the party's outreach across the country.